Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
We're the RC Sailors, and we stopped at our local park today to play with the new RC truck, or really a buggy. This is the WLToys 20404. Very similar to the 20409.
By WLToys.
Yeah. Now, not long ago, like maybe a couple months ago.
Back in the winter.
Okay.
It was cold out.
It was really cold. We drove this, fell in love with it so much so that we have kept it this whole time. Obviously we like it if we've kept it that long. And has a wheelie bar, although it didn't really do wheelies very well.
It was fun though, I liked it. It came in around like $50 and we highly recommended it for everybody to
and
pick
it
up.
sold out in a couple days. Crazy. It's
yeah, it had lights on it.
It still does.
But
Still does.
Ours,
They're dangling.
We've been a little rough
And you
on
notice
ours.
on the bottom there's aluminum panels,
Yeah.
and it's just tough as nails. Well,
so
now
today we're testing this one.
yes, and it is built very similarly.
Very similar.
And it's a 1/20th scale, just like that monster truck. It even has the wheelie bar on the back.
That cat
Should we
is
show them
coming
the
back.
cat? Let's show them the cat.
He's coming back.
I know you probably can't hear it, but we can. Listen. As soon as we pulled up here, this cat, just the whole time. Meow, meow, meow.
He sat down and started up.
But enough about stray cats and vehicles that are not the one for this video. This is the body clips.
Yeah.
She's got her nails done now.
No,
So
they're breaking. These are my real nails for once. They're breaking and chipped, so.
let's take a closer look at what comes in the box. Then we're just going to drive this and have some fun. And I know a lot of you guys have said too many drones lately, and I totally agree. Too many drones. So we've got this ground vehicle and a couple more to come to the channel. We might even use it to chase the cat away. It's over there. While Abby works on the body clips, let's take a look.
But I'm done.
And she's ready. Okay. Now this one doesn't have the lights pre-installed. Let's just get it out here in the light a little bit more so it's easier to see. That cat is so loud. I don't think you guys can hear it super loud, but we can. It's built very well. It's a very tough little 20th scale four-wheel drive RC vehicle with a pretty good little run time. Very quick. If it's anything like the 9 over there, this is the 4. We'll have it linked in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. Now, of course, this is a brushed motor, but it does have a heat sink on it, and our steering servo and receiver, it's all pretty much built in. The LiPo is here on the side. You have this little clip you pull out, and then your battery is stored in here. It's a 7.4 volt 2-cell 500 milliamp LiPo battery, and it comes with a little USB charge cable. You also have the tool, the little universal plastic tool, and the instruction manual, and the transmitter. It's pretty nice. I do like this. It gets the job done. It does have steering and throttle trim, and then we have our on-off switch back here. And it feels good. It doesn't feel cheap. Everything is proportional. It's WLToys, so I'm pretty happy with that. 4 AA batteries. I think we should just power this up and see how it drives. I've been doing a lot of the drones lately, so I think Abby's gonna drive this.
Yay.
Show them the proportional steering. Nice. No, you're giving it, yeah, there you go.
It's not, I mean, it's there, but not quite.
Okay, so you're saying it's a little twitchy?
Yeah.
Okay, I see.
And then throttle.
Sure.
What's your back end?
Let's do that. Oh yeah, it's got power. I can feel the torque. It's crazy. Okay, this is quick. 4-wheel drive, it's fast. If it's anything like this 9, the little monster truck over there, this is gonna be very fast and just like, it's gonna look like it's going like 100 miles an hour. Yeah. Oh, okay. Gravel.
Get it on the gravel.
Now I can drive on the gravel really well, but this thing is really meant for asphalt. Now, you wouldn't think a 20th scale truck or buggy could handle grass, but this one should be able to. Oh, Abby. For a little guy, this is, you know, really big gravel in spots. Oh!
Okay, let's come down here.
Yeah. While we're walking, see if it can do the grass over there. Little 1/20th scale 4-wheel drive. Yeah, not bad. I mean, it's struggling, but it can do the grass. Cool. Cleaned off the tires when you did that. Oh yeah. You can just tell. It's got power. Just from hearing it.
Yeah, I need to trim it up.
Okay. It's so small. On the camera, it just looks so tiny. Oh yeah, you got it trimmed nicely. Yeah, that looks good. Wow! The gravel is just crazy on this little guy. Alright. We're not really doing this little buggy much justice here, Abby. I mean, this is way too bouncy of a place for it to drive. Oh! Oh, like a brick wall. Body clips are all still there. That's tough. That is a tough little car. I know you guys can't even see it. Now, I can see it down there. In real life, I can still see it for orientation and everything, but on the camera, it just, wow, that was nice. Cameras just never do RCs justice. This is fun. I'm glad we're out here at the park. It's quick, Abby. It's quick. I think I want to try that before the battery is gone.
Okay, you can go flip it over. We had to move.
We're in a new spot. As soon as I walked to pick this up, some guy drove up on a moped, very, very slowly and casually got off of his moped and just started talking. So we couldn't finish. We had to move. See you later, buddy.
So we're at the hill, but there's no way. So we're gonna go down there to our small hill.
This thing is fun.
And Nate's driving.
I like the monster truck personally more than the buggy, but you are a buggy fan.
Yeah, I like
You're
buggies.
more of a buggy fan than me.
It reminds me, the way it drives, it reminds me a lot of that one. I don't really think there's much of a difference.
Oh wow, it's fast.
Yeah, it's fast.
Wow. Oh. And it still landed.
Look at that. That never happens for you.
No. I'm always going to wreck it. It stays upside down. Look at that.
Oh, kicking up the
That's
dust. I come down here to film and I can't do it anymore. I squat down.
Ooh, little pit there. Let's see if I can ramp out of that.
Okay.
Oh, the wheelie bar saved it. Oh, and the fin. Look at it.
Oh, you bent it.
Did I?
Did you break it?
It popped out of the body. Let's see.
Yeah, so this spoiler is
Okay.
really different because it attaches to the body instead of the actual truck.
So I just want to point this out. I don't know how close of a shot we can get. I didn't break it. There are two screws that hold the bottom on, and it just popped it out of the body.
So that's not a great design.
Not a great design, but it actually saved it. So what I'll have to do is back those screws out and then just put it back on the body.
Yeah.
It just popped it out.
Good job, Nathan.
Yeah.
Breaking my trucks.
Yeah, sorry. Let's do that one more time, since that's what...
Okay, sorry, it was blurry.
There, nice smooth little baby rim. Oh, nice. Do you see that?
Yeah, let's go down the dirt. What do you think of it?
Well, okay, so my honest opinion, I really, really like the what are the numbers? 404, I can't even remember the numbers now. It's such a big number. The little black monster truck with the headlights built in.
12428?
No, that's not the one.
Oh.
The 12428 is
The one we had at the beginning of this video?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I like that. If you're gonna spend the $50 on a... Oh, okay, I get one more time. It's fun enough that I don't want to pass the controller off to you. If I had to choose between this or the little black truck with the built-in headlights, I'd go with the little black truck with the built-in headlights because it seems more durable, more clearance.
Now, what's the price of this one?
$50.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll have a link for you in the description box below. I'll tell you what I'll do too. Right below it, I'll link the little black and gold one in hopes that they have it restocked, because when we did that video,
They sold out.
they sold out within a couple days.
And we'll, at the end of this video on our end screen, we'll put that video on the end.
Yes, you'll want to check it out if you haven't seen that, especially all you newcomers to our channel. We have a lot of new people. Uh-oh,
Yeah.
am I hung up? I think I'm 100% hung up.
My turn.
Okay. Can she get out? Probably not. There's not very much clearance on this little guy.
He really goes.
Oh no! Okay. Yeah, it's definitely a basher. Like 100% a basher. It is not a crawler by any means. Oh, that's a tough little rivet to get out of. Let's see if you can get it. Oh, you did it. Nice. Oh, it almost, Abby, in a certain position, it could actually drive upside down. That's crazy. This is not a bad little buggy. Oh, not a bad buggy at all. If you're a fan of buggies and you want a tiny 1/20th scale, go with this. But my personal choice, oh that was cool, is the black and gold one, big time. I can hear it, yeah, a little grinding. We'll have to clean this out. Oh no,
Weeds.
hung up on the weeds.
They're giant trees, actually.
Giant trees. Oh, there, and a giant foot. Oh, that was cool. For such a little guy, it gets around really well. I do like yellow. Oh, wow, that was crazy. It's fun. I do like that. But for about the same price, wouldn't you rather have the little black and gold one with the lights?
Of course.
I mean, it's even got, I forgot to show you guys the box, but on the back of this one's box, so it's still good, it's still good. On the back of the box of this one, the 9, or the black and gold one, that's on the back. So it's WLToys, same manufacturer, they're categorized in the same group and everything. As long as that one's in stock, that's what I would go with. But I'm glad we did this because I would have expected them to perform pretty much exactly the same, but they don't.
This would have been really good at our track at RCS.
Yes.
Would have done really
yeah. It definitely wants to drive on a very smooth surface. Any bumps really get it going kind of crazy. So if you have a nice little path, a dirt path, or even a loose gravel, small pea gravel, kind of pebble gravel, that would work well. But concrete or asphalt is definitely where this kind of shines. And maybe even like a rubber track, you know, where high schoolers run around or something. Yeah. Overall, it's not bad. I would actually say, yeah, pick it up, but we can safely say that we have a better recommendation in the exact same price point and category, which is good. I like confidently being able to tell you guys that. Sure, it was good to stop and do this video and watch this video, but it just reconfirms how great the little black and gold WLToys truck is.
But this one is still good.
It really is.
Just that one is slightly better.
Yeah.
And really only because it has lights.
Yeah.
Really, that's the only.
Runtime is good. Charge time is also very good. Through the USB charge cable, you know, you really can't complain. That was cool. I wish I had that on camera. Abby's having fun with it. So this is not a bad one at all. Overall, it gets like 1 thumb up instead of 2. No. Because it still gets 2. 1.5, yeah.
So click the video at the end of this video so you can check out that other truck that we recommend just a little bit more than this one, and we will see you in the next video.
Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.